So now we've got the circuit breaker turned on for the active fin stabilizers. I'll activate them. They're not activating, so I will go through the bypass. That's not working either. Oh, whoa. Did you feel the boat move? So now we have the fins centered. They're not active, they're just centered. We'll go to active, and you can watch these pieces move back and forth. Well, it's not activating. Now I've bypassed the GPS. I'm not fond of the GPS because this is tied into the GPS, which means you can only activate them when you're going a certain speed. Or when you slow down, it will center the fins. Let's see if we can activate them now. Whoa. See, this fin's down here, that fin's way up there. So we will leave these active so we can learn how to use them today, especially if a big boat comes past and rocks us pretty hard. So if you've got active fin stabilizers, you need to play with them before they become important, especially in rough weather, or if you've got a lot of big fast boats coming past and rocking you all over the place.